All right, we have ice ducks. We have an animal surprise, and it says rider aids. Okay, let's see what kind of rider aids out there. Here we go, going through a nice, beautiful area. Oh, whoa, deer. A little bit of a deer around a corner. Gotta panic, gotta check your pantalones after that one. What kind of rider aids helped them in this situation? Rhetorical question, I'll go ahead and answer it for you. Everybody in class, make sure you guys grab yourself a slice of pizza. It's gonna get cold. It's gonna get cold. Rider aids, so you have traction control. So you have lean angle ABS, normal ABS, lean angle traction control, regular traction control, even cruise control is a rider aid. Basically anything like that. Okay, so ABS is a really, really good thing to have. I like to have ABS on all of my vehicles, no matter what I'm doing, only because I like to think of it as a safety net for like a trapeze artist. You know, you could be the most skilled trapeze artist in the world, and I don't know why I use that. I keep thinking of Batman and Robin. Anyways, trapeze artist, going, doing your thing. You could be the most skilled in the world, and if you just had, you know, sweaty hands that day and you slipped and fell, wouldn't you love to have a nice little safety net just on the bottom, just in case? And that's part of being a smart rider, is acquiring and using personal protective equipment. You can do the best you possibly can, but then if you crash, hopefully your gear saves you. Okay, and also being a rescue rider. So right here, what we have is a Honda Africa Twin. They do have ABS because they're really good. I love Hondas. Scary situation, slight panic, not much you can do because it's an animal. We talk about that in our course. Not much you could do. So he's coming around the corner. You notice how it's a lot of sun right here, but then it goes into shade. That kind of messes with your vision a little bit. So kind of be aware. He did a great job, though. There's not much you could have done here. So he's coming around the corner, straightens it up, and there's that little jerky movement, and then grabbing the brakes to hopefully slow it down. Now, if you smash those brakes on ABS, you're going to feel it basically punching your hand. What it's doing is modulating the brakes. It's going to skid a little bit, not skid, skid a little bit, not skid. It's basically not allowing it to lock up. Anti-lock brakes, okay? Did a great job. ABS is a great lifeline if you need it. Make sure you guys, if you have the income, go ahead and get the ABS version of whatever motorcycle that you're going to be getting. All right, first page is done. Simon GTR 1400. All right, so we have a line of sight issue and red stage. What is a red stage, everybody? I think we understand this. So it sounds like he's going to do a good job and he's not going to panic into that brown stage. Let's go ahead and take a quick look. Whoa! So we had a little bit of an issue, Simon. A little bit of an issue. And then we got ourselves out of there. All right, so we're going to be passing vehicles. And we're going to be doing it when we have poor line of sight. Now, line of sight isn't only left or right around a blind turn or a blind corner. It's also like a crest of a hill. And in this situation, it's a little depression in the hill. Okay, so that vehicle, when he passes, that vehicle's in the bottom and he can't see because his line of sight is broken. So passing with poor line of sight is risky. Do not guess, see before going. Thankfully, he did not panic and went into red stage. And that's pretty much what happened here. So he's going to go up here. He's going to go ahead and pass the vehicle. He can't see anything. I'm going to go ahead and make sure you can see how there's a nice little dip in there. You can't see that there's a vehicle in there. This is a bad time to pass. Don't do it. Just wait. Okay. All of a sudden, oh, there's the person. It's like a little turtle head poking out. Not good. What do? We need to get back into our lane. Okay, so we need to get that escape path. Okay, so the whole point of plan, you're going to see it here pop up real quick, is position for safety. We're not in a good position. We're locating. We need to adapt back into a good position for safety. And that's what he did. Okay. Okay, we started to panic a little bit, though. That person, Simon was starting to brake and be like, what do I do? So there was a slight panic to start, but his training kicked in. His training towards the end kicked in. Thankfully, this vehicle moved over to the side and allowed him to even just do this. Okay, that was barely, not a lot of swerve, not a lot of time. You need to buy yourself some time. Okay, if you're gonna brake, it's only so you can get yourself out of somewhere, but you need to move. Thankfully, he's doing fine. We're gonna learn from it. I wouldn't have continued to do this, but we're gonna learn from it. Hopefully, Simon learned from it.